Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today, inshallah, I'll complete the substitution method or substitution way to solve simultaneous equations. Okay, our lesson in page 191. In the last period, I solved from exercise 5, I solved number 1, number 5, 6 only, and also I solved number 4, number 8, number 9, number 10 from exercise 5 star. Today, inshallah, I'll take from exercise 5 star to revise the substitution method. I'll take question number 2, question number 5, number 7. Okay, inshallah. Okay, and then I'll start to explain the other way, which is elimination. I said to you in this lesson to solve simultaneous equations, we can solve it graphically, but graphically take a long time and maybe inaccurate. Okay, and to solve these simultaneous equations algebraic, we can use two ways. The first way is substitution. How substitution? By knowing the value, we have two variables, say x and y. If I know the value of one variable, we can substitute its value in another equation, in one equation from the two equations I have, and make one equation contain the same variable, find the value of this variable, and then substitute in the other equation to get the value of the second. Let's revise the substitution method. I'll take exercise 5 star, page 191, question number 2. As you see here, we have two equations, 3x plus 2y equals 7 and x equal 3 minus y. I give this equation 1 and this equation 2. It's up to you to make which one, which 2. It's up to you, no problem. But we put 1 and 2 to be easy to say I'll substitute in 1, I'll substitute in 2, like this. But it's up to you. Okay, now it's easy to take the value of x and substitute here in equation 2. So substitute x equal 3 minus y in equation number 2 and rewrite the equation. Equation is 3x plus 2y equals 7. Now, instead of x, I'll take its value. So 3, open brackets, the value of x, 3 minus y plus 2y equals 7. I work in equation 2, as you see. Now, 3 times 3 equal 9, 3 times negative y equal negative 3y, and 2y equals 7. Collect the y's you have. So here we have negative 3y plus positive 2y equal negative y, and the 9 go to the opposite side with negative sign. So negative 9 and positive 7 equal negative 2. It is not suitable to give the answer, the variable with negative sign. So I'll divide by negative 1 both sides. So y in this case equal 2. The problem didn't finish. I said to you, take care, don't stop here. I found the value of one variable only. So substitute this value, y equal 2, in equation 1. Like this. This is equation 1. X equal 3 minus y. So x equal 3 minus the value of y, which is 2. So x equal 1. Now I have x equal 1 and y equal 2. So the solution is the point 1 and 2. Okay, this is the substitution method. Question number 2, exercise 5 star. Please, when you find a value of one variable, don't stop, complete to find the value of the second variable. And now you have common point as a solution for the two equations. Also, I'm still in substitution method. Exercise 5 star, page 191, question number 5. In number 5, we have two equations, y equal 5 minus 2x and 3x minus 2y equal 4. I give it 1 and this 2. From 1, I have the value of y by knowing its value by using x. So y equal 5 minus 2x. Here, 3x, I'll take it as it is. And negative, negative. 2 is 2. Instead of y, I'll put 5 minus 2x, like this. 5 minus 2x, okay? And then equal 4. Now 3x minus distribute. 2 times 5 equal 10. 2 times negative 2 times 5 equal negative 10. Negative 2 times negative 2 equal positive 4. Like this, equal 4. Now collect the x's you have. We have 7x and negative 10. Take it to the opposite side with positive sign. So 10 and 4 equal 14. Here I have 7x divided by 7 to get the value of 1x. Of course, divided by 7 both sides. So now we have x equal to, don't stop, you didn't finish. Substitute x equal to in this equation to find the value of y. So substitute here in y equal 5 minus 2x, substitute the value of x, which is 2, in this equation. So here substitute x equal to y equal 5 minus 2x, so y equal 5 minus 2 times 2. Now y equal 1, you have 2 points, y equal 1 and x equal 2, so the solution is 2 and 1, like this. Okay, so here you have question number 2, question number 5, exercise 5 star, page 191. Okay. Also, I'll take number 7 from exercise 5 star. Exercise 5 star, page 191, exercise 7. Okay, attention, or problem number 7, sorry. Exercise 5 star, problem number 7. As you see, I have two equations, 3x minus 2y equals 7, 4x minus y equal 2. I deal with this equation to get the value of y only because it's easy to find y equal what, as you see here. So I'll keep y aside and 2 in its side. Take 4x to the opposite side with negative sign. So now y equal 2 minus 4x. Now I have the value of y. I'll take this value of y and substitute in equation 1. I have 3x, I'll take 3x minus 2y, I'll take minus 2, multiply by the value of y, which is 2 minus 4x, 2 minus 4x instead of y, equal 7, like this equation. I use this equation. Now 3x distribute, minus 4 plus 8x equals 7. Collect the x's you have 11x and take the number aside, so we have 11 divided by 11 both sides, so x equal 1. Now I have the value of x substituted here to get the value of y. So y equal 2 minus 4 times 1, like this. So y equal 2. Now I have x and y, so the solution is 1 and 2. Of course, we have to write x first and then y. Okay? This is a common point, the solution of the two equations. Okay. Inshallah, I'll start a new method to solve the simultaneous equation algebraically, which is by elimination. And this method, we use it if we have one of the two variable, the coefficient of it, the number multiplied by it is the same, but one positive and one negative. So when I add them together, they will give me 0 and cancel this variable to get the value of the other variable and then substitute. How? Let's see. In this elimination method, this method only works if the number before either x or y are opposite in sign. So attention. If I have the two equations and say مثلا the number before x is one positive and the other equation the same number but negative, so we can use the elimination. Maybe I have a number multiplied by the y is positive and the same number is negative in the other equation, so opposite sign, so I can use elimination. Why elimination? Because when I add the positive and the negative number, it will give me 0. So by this way, I eliminate, I cancel one variable from the two variables I have, and then find the value of the remaining one, like this. Let's see an example. This example from exercise 6, page 192. I have x plus y equal 8 and x minus y equal 2. Okay, very easy. Look, I have x and x, both of them positive. Before each x we have 1. But here y, positive 1y and negative 1y. So I can add the two equations. Yes, I can add the two equations. How? I'll say we make this line and say add. Give this equation 1, this equation 2, it's up to you. And then add x plus x equal to x. Y positive and y negative cancel, give me 0. So by this way, I eliminate one variable from the two. 8 plus 2 equal 10. Okay, what I have now? I have only x as a variable. 2x equal 10 because x plus x equal 2x. Y positive, y negative equal 0. 8 plus 2 equal 10. So 2x equal 10. Divided by 2 to find the value of x only, both sides, so x equal 5. Easy. Easy. We use this way if we have opposite sign. I have here opposite sign, y positive and y negative. Nice. I have now x, so in any equation you want, you can substitute the value of x, which is 5, and get the value of y. Like this, مثلا, we say 5 plus y equal 8. So y equal what? Y equal, as you see, 3. Okay. And then I have a point. The solution is x is positive and y positive 5 and y is positive 3. So like this. This is the elimination method, and we use the elimination if we have opposite sign for x or for y. As you see here, we have opposite sign for y, y positive and y negative. When I add the two equations, I have 2x equal 10. Find the value of x, and then take this value, substitute in any equation you want. You will get the same answer for y. I substitute x equal 5 here in x plus y equal 8. So I'll get y equal 3. The solution is, start with x and then y. So the solution is 5 and 3, as you see here. Okay. Now I'm still in exercise 6. Page 129, question number 6. Exercise 6, page 129, question number 6. I have negative x plus y equal 4, the first equation. The second equation, positive x plus 2y equal 5. I have opposite sign for the number before the x's. I have 1x negative and 1x positive. So I can add the two equations to cancel the x. Yes, we can. So when I add the two equations, positive x or negative x equals 0, and I have 1y plus 2y equal 3y. 4 plus 5 equal 9. To get just 1y, divide by 3 both sides. So y equal 3. Nice. I can substitute in any equation. I can substitute here. Yes, okay. I can substitute in this equation. It's okay. But about me, I prefer to substitute in positive sign variable like this. But it's up to you. You will get the same answer, of course. Now I have y equal 3. Substitute y equal 3 in equation 2. I'll rewrite the equation x plus 2, y equal 5. So x is still x, 2 still 2, and instead of y, I put 3 equal 5. Now x plus 6 equal 5, so I'll take 6 to the opposite side. So x equal negative 6 plus 5. So x equal negative 1. Now I have x equal negative 1, y equal positive 3. So the solution is x first, then y, negative 1 and 3. Why I use the elimination method here? Because the number before the x's, one positive sign and one negative sign. We have opposite sign for the number before the x's. So we can cancel the x, get the value of y, then substitute the value of y in any equation you want to get the value of x. I'm still in exercise 6, page 192, question number 8. Here I have the same. X plus 4y equal 2. Y minus x equal 3. Where the opposite sign, x positive and x negative, it's okay. So I can add the two equations, we can. But your teachers, the x and the x not under each other, you can rearrange them. Or you can add directly like this, cancel x positive with x negative. And you have one x here and one y here and 4y there. So 1 plus 4 equal 5y. 2 plus 3 equal 5. To get just one y, I divide by 5 both sides. So y equal 1. Substitute the value of y in any equation to find the value of x. Now substitute y equal 1 in equation 1. Here, x plus 4y equal 2. So x plus 4 multiply 1 equal 2. So x equal negative 2, because I'll take here 4 to the opposite side, negative 4 and positive 2 equal negative 2. Now I have y equal 1, x equal negative 2. So the point, the solution is negative 2 and y. What are the opposite sign here? X and x, I cancel them with each other. Okay? Attention. Please take care from this problem. Attention. I have x plus 3y equal 5. I have 2x minus y equal negative 4. Okay. This x is positive and this x is positive. And the coefficient is 1 and here 2. Okay. This y is positive and this y is negative. But I have here 3y and here negative y. You have two ways. I solve the two ways in front of your eyes. I can change the sign of x by multiplying. I have here positive 2x. So I can multiply by negative 2 the first equation. So the new equation multiplied by 2 here. I use the purple color. This is the equation after multiplying by negative 2. It will be negative 2x, negative 2 multiply 3 equal negative 6y, negative 2 multiply 5 equal negative 10. So this is the new equation after multiplying by negative 2. Is it allowed to me to multiply? Yes, of course. But don't forget to multiply both sides. Don't forget to multiply all terms you have. Why I especially multiply by negative 2? Because I want to change the sign of x, make it negative, and make the number is 2. Negative 2 to be allowed or to give me a chance to cancel them with each other. When I multiply the equation by negative 2, like this, it will be negative 2x, negative 6y equal negative 10, like this. And the second equation I rewrite as it is. Now I have negative 2x and positive 2x, so I can cancel them by addition, elimination method. Now I have negative 6y and negative y equal negative 7y. Negative 10 and negative 4 equal negative 14. Divided by negative 7 to get just one y, both sides, so y equal 2. Now it's up to you. You can substitute in this equation, in that one, in this one, in that one. You have 4 equations. Substitute the value of y in any one of these 4 equations. Yes, it's okay, and you will get the same answer. I'll take the easiest one of them. I'll substitute y equal 2 in this equation. Which equation? I substituted in 2x minus y equal negative 4. So 2x minus 2 equal negative 4. Now I have 2x. I'll take the two opposite side. It will be positive. And now 2x equal negative 2. Divide by 2, so just 1x equal negative 1. Now I have x equal negative 1 and y equal 2. So the solution is negative 1 and 2. Okay, attention. I'll solve the equation by another way. Both of them is allowed to you, but both of them under the title elimination. Okay, attention, I'll rewrite the two equations. The first equation is x plus 3y equal 5, and the second equation is 2x minus y equal negative 4. Look with me here. Here in this, I prefer to multiply by negative 2 to cancel x with x. Okay, let's see here what can I do. I have y positive and y negative, you see? Okay, but this y up is 3 and this y down is 1. So to make it 3, I'll multiply this equation by 3 positive, like this. So I'll rewrite the first equation, x plus 3y equal 5. This is the first equation. The second equation, I'll multiply it by 2. So 2 multiply 2 by 3, sorry. 3 multiply 2 equals 6x. And 3 multiply negative y equal negative 3y. And 3 multiply negative 4 equal negative 12. Nice. I have two equivalent equations. Add the two equations. X plus 6x equals 7x. Positive 3y and negative 3y cancel. And here, negative 12 plus 5 equal negative 7. Okay, so I'll add by 7 here and there. So x equal 1. Negative 1. X equal negative 1. The same answer. But in this way, I cancelled x and x. In this way, I cancelled y. Multiply the second, I have y positive and y negative. I have y positive and y negative. So here 3, I want here also 3. So I'll multiply by 3 all the terms. So 3 times 2 equals 6. And 3 times negative 1 equal negative 3. 3 times negative 4 equal negative 12. Okay? By this way, I get the value of negative 1. You can substitute this negative 1 in the first equation, مثلا. Okay? So here I have negative 1 plus 3y equal 5. I'll take this negative 1 to the opposite side. So 3y equal 6. So the y equal 2 as I get it before. So we can use this cancelling y, or we can cancel x. I wanted to put the two ways in front of your eyes.